There is a very common underlying cause for neck pain that is often overlooked. And if you do not address this cause, there is a good chance that no matter what you try, your neck pain will just keep coming back. I'm Dr. David Palmer from Align Corrective Chiropractic in Durban, and if you suffer with neck pain, then this video is for you. I see it all too often in practice. People come in who can't sleep or work or have fun because of their neck pain. And they've tried it all. Painkillers, injections, cupping, massage, needling, and it helps for a while, and then their pain comes back. If this sounds like you, please continue watching as we discover why this may be happening. To fully understand why your neck might be giving you problems, you first need to understand that in order for your neck to stay healthy and to function optimally, it is essential that it has a very specific shape and alignment. So you're probably asking yourself, why is he holding a banana? And I'm going to show you. So your neck should be straight from the front and should have a C-shaped curve from the side. This curve is known as the cervical lordosis. Unfortunately, our modern lifestyles are absolutely terrible when it comes to the shape of our spines. Just think how much time you spend stressed at your desk, on your phone, and all the slips and falls and whiplash that you might have had. All of these things can impact the shape of your spine. This will impact your posture. It will drastically increase the amount of strain and stress on your spine, which leads to dysfunction and eventual long-term degenerative change. And this is probably why you are getting neck pain. So how do you know if your neck has the right alignment? Well, quite simply, take a good look at your posture. If you find that your neck, for example, is tilting to the side or shifting forward off your shoulders, then there is probably a really good chance that you don't have the right shape. The best way to confirm this is with an X-ray. We have our own digital X-rays on site. We are able to take appropriate X-rays of your spine to fully measure and assess your alignment. With this in mind, we can then create a treatment plan specific for you to improve your alignment. So why is this all so important? Well, research shows that the curve in your neck helps to distribute weight, and when you lose that curve, you drastically increase the stress and strain on your joints, which can lead to degenerative change. Research also shows that those patients who've had to have a neck surgery, if their neck was fused into the normal lordosis, then they had far better long-term outcomes. Research shows that you are far less likely to suffer severe injury in a whiplash if you have an ideal neck curve. The research is clear. The shape of your spine is absolutely essential to good functioning. If you're battling with ongoing problems, doesn't it make sense to correct this first? Let's pretend that this banana is your neck, and just imagine how much extra strain and tension you're creating when your neck goes from a curved to a straightened position. If you're battling with neck problems, please give us a call.